we have a new year with all this new possibility. We can really start over and just have a good time. If you believe in resolutions, how about we resolve to just seek happiness and new things? And with that, I want to show you something new. It's a new toy that I hope is gonna make me feel less self-conscious about filming and sharing more spontaneous videos. So let me show you what I got. It's the INSTA360 GO. Let's see what it got. The 20-gram Steadicam. This is my mouse, and smaller than my mouse. It's still even a little smaller because this is the charger. This is the camera. Wow, how little is this? And it's magnetic in the back. So you just put it in the magnetic case to charge. Cool. Water resistant, not waterproof, but water resistant. You can submerge for up to 10 seconds in the water. In this little case are all the accessories. Sticky plate. I believe this is the type that once it's not sticky anymore, you can just wash and it will come sticky again. This is the pendant where I can put it under my shirt, eat this in, and they say that I can just put it here. Look at that. I can go incognito. Look at it, awesome. Okay, another sticky base. Look at this. I think I'm gonna put this on my car, and I'll be able to record, and it turns around 360. Awesome. I'm excited. Okay, so it comes with all of that. Okay, now that it's charged, let's go and test it and play with it and see what it can do. And for that, I have the pendant here. And for that, I want to take you to the beach because even though it's cold, it looks a little bit sunny, and I want to see if we can catch the sunset or something fun. So let's go. What I like about this is that it takes only 30-second videos, so which is gonna be good to keep me on track. And they said if I click on once, it will start recording, and I will know by a vibration. There we go. Oh, so it should be recording now. There is a little flashing light. So pretty. I feel that my first impressions are good. There's some little things that I still have to learn and how to use it, but overall, I'm excited about all the different uses that I can have with this camera because of its size. So I'm excited about it. We shall see. Thank you for watching, and please come back for the next one. Ciao.